I'm going to walk you through how to duplicate a campaign in Brevo. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just getting started, duplicating campaigns can save you a lot of time and effort. So let's dive into the process and make it as simple as possible for you. First things first, head over to brevo.com, open up your favorite web browser and type in the URL. Once you reach the Brevo homepage, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. Having quick access to your campaigns is crucial, so make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're on the Brevo platform, look towards the top of the page for the Marketing tab. It's typically located in the main navigation bar. Clicking on Marketing will drop down a menu with several options. From here, you're going to select Campaigns. This is where all your current and past marketing campaigns are stored. After you've clicked Campaigns, you'll see a list of all the campaigns you've created so far. Now, take a moment to scroll through and find the specific campaign you'd like to duplicate. When you find it, direct your attention to the right side of the campaign name. You'll notice 3 small dots. These dots are often referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking on this will reveal a few additional actions you can perform on your campaign. Now, among the options that appear, look for Duplicate. This option is your gateway to creating a copy of your existing campaign. Click Duplicate, and Brevo will generate a new campaign based on the one you've selected. It's as simple as that. Once you've clicked Duplicate, you'll see that a copy of your campaign appears in your campaign list, usually with the same name followed by the word Copy. At this point, you might want to rename your duplicated campaign to keep things organized. Simply click on the campaign name and edit it to something that makes sense to you for easy identification later on. Duplicating campaigns is a fantastic feature because it allows you to carry over all the intricate details, settings, and content from an existing campaign. This means you don't have to start from scratch, which can be a huge time saver when you're running multiple campaigns with similar content or settings. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently duplicate a campaign in Brevo, streamlining your marketing efforts and ensuring consistency across your campaigns. Remember, duplicating campaigns is especially useful when you want to test different variables or make minor tweaks without altering the original campaign. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you feel more confident in managing your campaigns on Brevo. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy campaigning.